Hey guys, Jörg Amsler here. I want to talk to you about the IBIE 2025 International Baking Industry Expo, or as I call it, Innovative Baking Intense Education 2025. I'm saying that because I'm part of it. I am teaching 2 classes. One of them is on realistic fondant, super cool stuff. You want to really trick your eye into 3-dimensional looks. So there's a lot of texture, there's tools, gadgets, sculpting, painting, and even airbrushing to make it look realistic. I have a class on cake mechanics. Very important if you want to set yourself on to the next level and do those crazy 3D cakes and structural things that you need to support stuff on. So this is important to know what to use and how to use it and when to use it. Wood, pipes, metal things, silicone, bolts, screws, tools, saws, all of that. We're going to do it hands-on. You're going to get some sawdust on you. You're going to participate. And so it'll be a cool class, and it really will educate yourself about structures and things that need to really hold those big time cakes that you're going to transport. Then I have a cool class on the cottage law. I think this is a really important one if you want to try to get into this. A cottage law is the business that you can run out of your home, your own home, in a legit and legal way. There's a lot to know to it. There are certain restrictions, and every state is actually a little bit different. And so we're going to talk about that. I do know a lot about it because I do consulting in that. And so if that's something that you're interested in, I urge you to attend. Then I have a show on the floor. It's a demo, and it's about 3D cookies. And I think I'm going to do something fun because the holidays are coming up. So I kind of got orientated towards that. So, but this is not about me. I want to talk about all the other teachers and the entire educational program. It's amazing. You have the entire days of the expo, you have stuff running, and it's set through the whole day from morning till evening. So you can attend numerous and different things that you're interested in. You're not just locked in one thing and you're missing everything else. So you can really feed your hunger on education and soak it all in and get smarter and better and just kick some, you know what I mean. Then the show itself, guys, it's off the hook this year. There's so many vendors. I think it's going to be the best ever. There's so many vendors, and that's what I like about it. It covers everything. Clothing, gadgets, new innovative stuff, all the tools, all the big machineries, retail, wholesale, mass production, catering, you name it. Anything that involves baking is covered in there. Amazing. So many vendors, great sponsors this year. So this show is going to be off the hook, guys. It's going to be really cool. So I encourage you, take your buddy, 2, 3, what the heck, just bring your whole posse, come to Vegas, attend the show, and then, you know, there's nightlife. I mean, you're in Vegas, you know what I mean? Enjoy it. We will see you there. 2025, September, IBIE. Can't wait.